Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your account's notification settings on the Splitwise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account button that you can find down below. This is the last option. Then go to the preferences section, and after finding it, tap on the notifications button, and here you are going to see a bunch of options, and you can select whether you want to receive a notification, for example, when someone adds you to a group. And if you want to select any of these options, all you have to do is clicking on either the phone or the mail button. So if you want to receive a notification on both of these forms, then tap on both of them. So that's how you can select these options. If you don't want to receive a notification about one of these aspects, do not tap on any of the options. And if you are done with selecting all these details, click on the Save Changes button down below, thereby updating this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.